Hello guys, my name is Ravindra. In this video we will talk about what is GitHub and how to set up GitHub on your machine. Before moving to GitHub, let's talk about what is Git. Git is free open source software which is developed by Linus Towel. Yes, you heard that right. Linus Towel is the man behind the Linux operating system. He designed the Linux operating system and also the Git version control. Without Git, you cannot imagine the life of a developers because if Git was not present, people would have been sharing the code in pen drive. Git is used by the many top tech companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft. Not only by top tech company, it is used by everyone who designs and develops the software because Git lets developers track the software changes and among the developers. We should really thank the Linus Torvald who designed and developed the GitHub. Now let's talk about how to set up Git on your machine. After visiting, go to this website. I have shared this link below in the description. After visiting to this website, click on downloads. Here you will be redirected to the download page of the Git. Here you can see that this Git is available for 3 operating systems: Mac OS, Windows and Linux OS. I have already installed the Git on my machine. I'm currently using the Mac OS. If you would like to check like if you have successfully installed the Git or not, what you can do is go to your terminal and type Git version. If it shows you the Git version, then congrats, you have successfully installed the Git on your machine. Now let's talk about GitHub. This Git is used by the GitHub, and there are other alternatives of GitHub, like there is one GitLab. This is the GitLab website. This both GitLab and GitHub both uses this version control Git for hosting the code. In this tutorial, I will only talk about the GitHub. In order to use the GitHub, you need to have an GitHub account. I have already created my GitHub account, so you should set up your GitHub account. The creating an GitHub account is very easy. It's like creating a Facebook account. So before moving to the next video, you should have an GitHub account ready.